If you want to become a funded trader in 2025, AI Prop is, I think, probably one of the best firm out there that provides the flexibility that you need, that provides the infrastructure and the capabilities in terms of analytics and AI that you need to become a successful trader. And that is what we're going to talk about in this video. Now, if you guys don't know, proprietary firms or prop firms are institutes or firms that provides funds to a trader in order to trade in the financial market. And then that trader, they make profit out of which the firm keeps a certain amount. Sometimes it's 10%, sometimes it's 0, sometimes 20%. That's up to the firm. Now, these firms are really essential because trading with your own money is quite riskier. So when you are given with funds to trade with, it takes away that risk, and you are given with all sorts of capabilities in terms of analytics and nowadays artificial intelligence or automation of strategies to maximize your profit and to have a better risk management. Now, I have looked at a lot of these firms, and the best one that I came across is this one. It's called AI Prop. It is backed by a prime broker, but having a prime broker backing you means that even if you have a lot of successful traders, you won't fall short of liquidity for payouts. And I think this is one of the reasons why they're able to fund traders up to $5 million. That's a really huge amount that they can fund a trader with. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can, of course, get yourself funded, how you can become a funded trader. It's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. But on top of that, we're also going to talk about how you can, become successful trader. So make sure that you watch till the end because I'll guide you through the entire process through which you can, pass the evaluation here, how you can get your account set up. I'll show you the dashboard and all that. And on top of that, I'll give you guys a coupon code which will give you 10% off your, purchase amount in this. So I think that's a pretty good perk. Now let's get started. This is the official website of AI Prop. It is backed by Prime Broker. We have talked about this. They are funding traders up to $5 million, which is really amazing. And the best thing here, in my opinion, because like I said before, I have reviewed a lot of other prop firms. The best thing here is the integration of artificial intelligence or AI technology. Now, if you're not using artificial intelligence these days, I think at some point you are going to fall short. So having artificial intelligence it can be integrated into analytics. In this case, it is being integrated in two ways, which we have. First of all, we have AI Coach, which offers personalized coaching by analyzing the behavior of the trader and market data, which saves up to 20 hours a month in manual analysis. And then we have AI Analytics, which delivers real-time insights to help reduce losses by up to 25% and improve trading decisions. So the artificial intelligence is going to help you become a successful trader. Now, here's the process, how you can become a funded trader here. If you come down here, you will see that you have the option to select a challenge, which is the process is pretty much same in other prop firms as well. You select a challenge, you complete that, which is basically an evaluation period. So you are given this simulation or demo account in which you trade for 3 days, and you have to prove that you are able to hit a specific profit target without hitting the daily drawdown or maximum drawdown. If you are successful in this, then you get the funded account that you asked for. So in this case, let's say that the challenge that I want to select is I want one phase for $25,000. I want a funded account which has $25,000 that I'll eventually be trading with. Now, what I have to do here is I have to ensure that I hit 10% profit in these 3 days without hitting the daily drawdown. Basically, I cannot go for 5% in loss in a day or 8% loss in these 3 days. If I hit that, I won't get the funded amount. Or if I don't hit the 10% target, I won't get the funded amount. So I have to hit this target. If I'm successful, then I'll be given with the $25,000 funded account. I can also go with the 2 phase, in which it's divided into 2 phase, 3 days for each phase. And in this, the profit target is in a sense divided. Not exactly divided, it's not 50-50. So in phase 1, instead of hitting 10% target, I have to hit 8% target. The drawdowns are the same for daily and the maximum. In phase 2, the next phase, I have to hit a 5% profit target. And if I'm successful in this, I get the funded account. So that's, I select the challenge, I select the amount of the, the account size. And if I complete the challenge, I get the funded account. And for different account size, as you can see, the fees is different. So for 10,000, it is at about $190. And for the maximum that we have in this, I think they will be able to fund you guys more. They're funding traders with millions of dollars even. But through this method, we are able to get maximum of $500,000 in funded account. For that, the fees is $2,759, which again, if you use my coupon code, you're going to get 10% off, which in this case, it'll be about $270 off from the actual amount, which is pretty great. And do note that within, this fees that you are paying for the evaluation period to get the funded account, they are also providing you guys with that AI coach and AI analytics, which I haven't seen any other firm provide. So in this case, even during the evaluation period, you are able to use and leverage the AI capabilities, the automation, everything in order to, prove that you are a successful trader. So I think that is really, really important. And that's, I think, is one of the reasons why I think this one is better than any of the other prop firms. You may be able to get more competitive pricing over there, but the daily drawdowns or the maximum drawdowns that I saw there, they're really, really less. So you have more chances of failing on those prop firms than in this one. Now, for those of you guys who are worried about the payouts, they're done through blockchain, so it's pretty transparent. And you can actually see the payouts of the people who are already using this. So we have proof of everything that it works, that people are getting the payouts. And the profit sharing is about 80%. So you keep 80% of the profit, and the platform only keeps 20%. You cannot go more lower than this. So I think that's really amazing in this. There is no monthly fees. You only have to pay the evaluation fees that you see above right here, and you pay 20% in your profits. That's it. Now, before we get started with selecting a challenge and starting the evaluation period, going through the payment, just a quick announcement that AI Prop has got a slot in the Dubai Expo that is happening on 6th and 7th of October in Dubai. So you will be able to meet them over there, and a lot of the other successful traders. You can do all sorts of networking and everything else over there. So I already have registered, and if you want to, you can do that. I'll give you guys a link that will be in the description. Now, let's talk about how you can get yourself set up here. So you are going to select your challenge. In my case, I'm going to go with one phase, $25,000. Once you're satisfied, you're going to click on Buy Challenge. And in this page, you are going to provide the billing details. And on the right-hand side, you can see the amount that you are going to pay. Again, if you use my coupon code, you're going to get 10% off, which you can see the coupon code on the screen, and it will be in the description as well. Just copy paste that coupon code, click on Apply Coupon, and I'm going to wait for it to be applied, and you can see you get 10% off, so -32. If the amount is larger, this 10% is going to make a massive difference. Now, once you're satisfied, you're going to select the payment method. You can pay with crypto. You also have other payment methods. I'm pretty sure most of us will prefer to pay with crypto. So we're going to click on Place Order. And on the next page, you can see that you are going to send payment in cryptocurrency. You can go with BEP20 USDT, ERC20 USDT, TRC20 USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum. You have BNB, so you have a bunch of options. And you're going to go ahead with the payment. Now, when you do the payment, you are going to receive an email for the receipt of the order for the payment that you made. You're going to get the Welcome to AI Prop email. It will give you some instructions about the evaluation period and so forth. And after that, you're going to get an email from the C Trader. Now, this is where they will set up your account. This is where you're going to start trading. And this is the dashboard that you are going to see. This is where you're going to see your total payouts, your number of accounts that have been passed, and you're also going to see your funded account. You can see that I have starting balance of about $100,000, current equity, and all the other information. You can also check your stats, your certificates and competitions. You can check out the leaderboard, and in this you can see the top traders and what they're making which the stats are pretty amazing here. You can see the percentage profit of each trader that we have here. You can also take a look at the affiliates. If you set up your affiliate account, you will see your affiliates over here and the coupon codes and everything else. So this is where you can get everything. This dashboard has almost everything. Now they have done partnership with TradeBot 365, which provides a streamlined platform for traders to build, customize, and they can also launch AI bots directly into their funded accounts. You can get more details from this TradingView article that I have. I'll give you guys the link that will be in the description. Now, the additional benefits that you get as trader is you get up to 50% reduction in manual trading tasks. You get 30% fewer errors and drawdowns thanks to the artificial intelligence and the analytics that they provide. You get simplified bot integration through the TradeBot 365 that we talked, and you get funding up to $5 million, and not just in crypto. We're not talking about just crypto. It's not exclusively for crypto. You get it in Forex, crypto, stocks, metals, and indices. So you have all sorts of diversity here because, like I said before, it's about financial markets, not just crypto. And we have multiple financial markets here. So whether you're a new trader, beginner, or an expert, and you want to get a funded account to trade, you want capital to trade, but on top of the capital, you need competitive pricing. You get better pricing. You also need better tools to leverage, including artificial intelligence. You need automation. You get that here. The evaluation period, the evaluation process, and the restrictions and the requirements, they're pretty mellow here compared to other firms. So I think this is one of the best places where you can, that you can use to become a funded trader in 2025. Again, you can benefit from the 10% discount coupon that will be in the description. So make sure that you use it. And yeah, if you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section. And I'll see you guys in the next one shortly. So stay tuned.